3D Design Aided Tool, ZW3D, your best main CAD helper. From data exchange to part repair and 3D annotation, ZW3D can do many things. Directly import other 3D system files to maximize data reuse. Opening these CATIA assembly files, we can get a clear assembly tree and easily check any component, including layer information. With healing and freeform tools, we can make productive part repairs. Quickly identify open edges. Fill open edges. Sew gaps. Remove face loops. You can efficiently handle open geometry. Inquire mass and stock size. Check draft and thickness, all that you need. Assigning material for the part. We can then get various mass properties such as volume. Inquire stock size. You can also specify reasonable values. Checking draft and analysis thickness is an important part for verifying the product structure. We can dynamically acquire this information on a 3D part. With direct edit features, we can efficiently modify any model without history regeneration. Simple features. Add fillet or chamfer. Directly copy the feature to a new position. Modify feature size and change the geometry. Design modification becomes more flexible and productive. With PMI features, we can intuitively add dimensions and annotations on 3D entities. Traditional 2D information becomes more visual. Besides linear, angular, and radial dimension, coordinate, feature control symbol, and others both are provided. Also, these PMI can be inherited into 2D sheets. Visualized interference check and dynamic section view helps engineers verify the assembly will fit. You can make partial check or overall check. Interference results can be recorded and displayed in red. Check section view is a dynamic method. You can observe more details. Also, you can get insert curves. File output also is a key point during the whole workflow. Besides some standard formats, ZW3D can be saved as a CATIA file and 3D PDF. With Adobe Reader, anyone can view the product. It's so convenient.